In a recent interview with CNC for the Talk to China series, the Australian State of Western Australia, or WA Premier Colin Barnett, said he still sees China as the state's #1 customer. WA has witnessed the fall in economic growth since the decline of the decade-long mining and resource boom, but the state's leader is still confident in a strong growth. Barnett says the main influence to the Western Australia economy has been the fall in prices of key commodities, particularly iron ore, oil, and natural gas. However, he says WA exports of iron ore to China have grown from 80 million tons per year to 550 million tons per year in a decade.
So enormous growth in the iron ore industry here as a result of China's demand. Now I expect that's levelling off now, but it's gone to a huge level.
Barnett says it was not just the iron ore that has grown, but exports of the state's other natural resources due to China's demand.
The really spectacular growth may be behind us, but I still see China as our #1 customer, a major investor here.
Barnett is expecting large amounts of Chinese investment into agriculture and food production following the signing of the China-Australian Free Trade Agreement.
I think it's important politically and economically in the sense that it shows that both Australia and China look forward to increasing their trade and investment relationship. In a more practical sense, I think it'll broaden the relationship. For example, from a West Australian point of view, our trade is very much around iron ore, gold, natural gas. I think this will open it up to see more investment and trade in agricultural products and more opportunities for Chinese industry to develop their markets in Australia. I think it's a very important step forward.
Since the decline of the Australian mining and resource boom and the slowing Chinese economy, WA has taken a hit in resources-based revenues. However, Barnett says this evolution is not new and part of a normal cyclical event. He adds that Western Australia as a mining-based economy is used to cycles.